Have you ever seen a monkey fuck a football? Well, you're about to. After struggle.
Dude, get the fuck.
Struck a nerve, sorry. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Alright, as if we don't got enough projects already, but might as well start some more. So today we're working on, we got a bunch more bins delivered. We're going to be tearing apart this whole bin block system, getting our landscape supply yard ready. We got the frost laws on right now, so we're just trying to catch up with a bunch of shop stuff. We got to expand our yard a little bit, put down some asphalt, and build these bins. Let's get to it. It's muddy, all that frost is coming out, everything's melting, mush. Alright guys, so what we're doing here is we're blending the sand in with the topsoil that we need to screen. This works really well for when you're screening it. It makes the screening process a lot smoother because topsoil typically is like really, it has a lot of moisture in it and it's hard to screen. So when you blend it all in really good, it actually makes really nice topsoil too for when you're spreading it and everything. It makes everything go real smooth. So that's our big unscreened topsoil pile that we're stacking all that sand on. This is how you do it right here, one man show, saving money on a laborer. All hooked and chained up all by myself, built the wall by myself. Definitely the way to go. Welcome back. All right, we got all the bins taken down. Cleaning up this concrete pad. Everything is a mud pit. Our topsoil is going to need like 6 months to dry. Skitty Boy's doing what Skitty Boy does. So the reason we're tearing this all down is because Skitty Boy built this wall the first time and he didn't connect all the blocks good, so they weren't solid. So when you go to dig into it, like the whole wall would shift, like you didn't have all the seams good. And he built the bins where we're storing the material too small to where the loader wouldn't fit in half of it. So, doing what we do, tore the whole thing down and we ordered a bunch more blocks. And we're actually extending it a little bit longer so we can stock more materials on site. And yeah, that's the whole reason behind all this. If you don't do it once, you might as well do it twice. Jeez, don't do that actually.